In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the history of Vulture Peak and some of the beautiful images that I gathered there. Travel into Horse Thief Camp. I'm going to make up a story on that one. And then venture on into Tecopa, where I was blessed with the opportunity to meet WonderHussy and her sister Eliza. Vulture Peak, located near Wickensburg, Arizona, has historical and cultural significance in the region. Obviously, the land around Vulture Peak was inhabited by indigenous people for thousands of years before European settlement. Native American communities, including the Hohokam and Yavapai tribes, frequented the area. As seems to be the case in most Native American displacements, in the late 1860s, Henry Wickenburg, a German immigrant turned prospector, discovered gold in the vicinity. This discovery led to the establishment of the Vulture Mine, one of Arizona's most prosperous gold mines. The mine operated until 1942 and produced about 348,000 ounces of gold. As the Vulture Mine flourished, the nearby town of Wickenburg began to grow rapidly. Wickenburg, named after Henry Wickenburg, was an essential and influential pioneer community in the region. During the peak of gold mining, the area experienced lawlessness and conflicts associated with mining towns of the time. Vigilante groups such as the Vulture Mine Vigilantes formed to establish law and order. Close to Vulture Peak, a settlement called Vulture City emerged. It served as a hub for mine workers and their families, featuring various amenities like saloons, a post office, a school, and even a brewery. Remnants of Vulture City still stand as a testament to its vibrant past. Today, Vulture Peak and its surrounding area are part of the Bureau of Land Management for recreational activities such as hiking, birdwatching, and photography. The site attracts visitors who are interested in its historical and natural value. I'm staying in Horse Thief Camp. Now, I don't know the true story behind it, so I'm actually going to make this up. If anyone knows the real story, let me know. But I think I came up with a pretty good idea based on just what I'm looking at. So I'm going to say that whenever I came up through this valley right here, and the road actually comes around that particular mountain, and then there's just this opening right here. And the horse thieves probably came in this area. They probably made their encampment in this area, and then they were scouting out to see if there's a way that they can get out around these mountains, which basically surround the entire area. The road that I came in on does not actually go through the mountain. In fact, the town that I'm going to is literally probably 50 miles not even that, 40 miles as the crow flies, but I'm gonna have to go 60 or 70 miles around the mountain to get to the town, which is basically just actually there's west, so it's actually just right up over there. Anyway, so the horse thieves had their camp here, and they were relatively protected from the elements, if you will. But what they didn't know is that their pursuers were coming up the same valley that they were using to make their escape in. And when they ended up in this area, they ended up getting trapped and of course captured, and I'm sure hung, not from any trees in this area. They would have to travel quite a ways to get a tree that they could use to hang. The only trees in this area are the Joshua trees, which is certainly not strong enough to hang a man. So they probably got brought back to Vegas or Pahrump or Henderson or something like that, tried, and of course hung at that point. If anybody knows that is a complete fallacy, please let me know in the comments. WonderHussy, also known as Sarah Jane Woodall, is a popular online personality, model, and explorer. Her unique combination of beauty, wit, and fearlessness has gained her a loyal following on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Patreon. WonderHussy started sharing her adventures and stories through her YouTube channel, where she takes viewers on virtual tours of abandoned buildings, forgotten locations, and hidden gems in the American Southwest, particularly in Nevada. Through her camera lens, she captures the beauty, history, and sometimes eerie atmosphere of these places, providing both entertainment and educational value to her audience. In addition to her online presence, WonderHussy has also posed for various photo shoots and modeling projects, often showcasing her adventurous side and embracing the unconventional. With her unique style and captivating storytelling abilities, she has become a sought-after model in the alternative photography and artistic communities. Overall, WonderHussy's impact extends beyond just being an entertainer or model. Through her explorations, she helps preserve the stories and history of forgotten places while inspiring others to step outside their comfort zone and explore the world around them. Her love for adventure, combined with her natural charisma, has made her a beloved figure in the online travel and exploration community. I, for one, have been influenced by her, and I am extremely proud to have had the opportunity to meet her and her sister, Eliza. YouTube sensation WonderHussy, aka Sarah, and her sister Eliza are true warriors. In addition to tenacity, they showed hearts of true gold by giving everyone waiting in line, and it was a long line, an opportunity for a meaningful conversation. As a veteran, I even got an opportunity for a peck on the cheek from WonderHussy. I tell you, that was worth my service by itself. I sincerely thank both of you for the opportunity to meet. So if I have an issue with the blue line flag or the green line flag or the whatever, imagine how I feel about this. The fire intercoupler was actually provided by somebody who left a box of scrap wood from construction and flammable materials just right over there, and gave me an opportunity for this fire.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
All the best, always.
Wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel, can you dig it, fool? Can you dig